feel like luxury is not having to ask for something. It's unique. We go in with the attitude and the outlook that everybody that stays with us is going to have the best experience possible. It's like having an old friend over that you haven't seen in a long time, and you just want to make them happy. People come back because they feel that this is their second home. It's a very luxurious feeling. We were the #1 hotel in the United States by Condé Nast Traveler magazine, and we continue to win these awards, and that's all from readers' polls. But there's nothing greater than knowing that you helped someone or changed their life or impacted them in a positive way. I mean, this is the epitome of taking care of people. And that's what it's all about.